Hello, this video we will see how to install a plugin for our Moodle website. In Moodle, we have certain built-in activities, and in some cases, we would like to have some additional activities in Moodle. And there are third-party plugins which can be installed into our Moodle website so that these additional functionalities can be added to our Moodle website. And here I am going to teach you how to add a attendance plugin into our Moodle website, because anyway, when we start classes in June, many of us may be asked to arrange our sessions online. And if we are arranging sessions online, it will be a good practice for us to uh, take attendance online. So if we ask our students to register their attendance in Moodle website, it will be easier for you to track their uh, but presence and how they have attended the Moodle session. So it will be a good idea to integrate an attendance tracking system with the Moodle. So I'll show you how this can be done. So suppose you want to install attendance plugin, you search for Moodle attendance plugin, and here we have the Moodle plugins directory. You click here, and directly we have the plugin, and you download. So you can click here to download the attendance plugin. And once you download this, in our download folder, in downloads, this zip file will be Moodle attendance zip file will be downloaded into your downloaded folder. And this is the first step for download the plugin, and it will be available in your downloaded folder. After that, you go to your Moodle website, go to site administration. So you log in as administrator, go to site administration. We are in site administration, and there you go to plugin, and there the first option itself is install plugins. And here we have to select the file which we have downloaded. So I am selecting the file which we have downloaded in the downloads folder. So this is the Moodle attendance plugin. So I just upload this file. Now this file is being uploaded. Then again you click install plugin from the zip file. Then you press on continue. Then now I have already installed this. Otherwise, you will get a message, update the database. You update the database and just click and forward like that. You go. Finally, this plugin will be uploaded into your Moodle website. And then after this, if you want to add that attendance into your Moodle website, so you select your course where we want to add an attendance. Suppose in this module, suppose you want to add an attendance. So you turn your edit button on, turn editing on, and you can keep it in the beginning session, because when we have an attendance, many sessions can be integrated into this. Now you see this attendance activity comes here. Previously it was not there. You select the attendance activity, you add it. Now you give the name. So as the common practice, you give a name so that your students will be able to recognize this. So I say we give your attendance here. Then if you want to give a description, you can give the description. Students, you can mark your attendance. So like this, you give a description. Then we don't have to make much changes here. So save and return to course. Now an attendance activity is added to our course. So give your attendance here. So after, as a teacher, just like quiz or other activity, if you click here, we can further add sessions into this. Now this basic attendance framework is ready. Now whenever we are expecting our students to attend a session, we have to add a session. So we have to say from which time to which time the students are expected to attend a session. So here, say the starting, the date, and from May 2020, which date you have to set, then which is the time. So if you want to from 3 to 4 o'clock, then you set it like this. Then if you want to give some description, you can also give some description. And so here, suppose the same session will be continued throughout. So suppose the same session will be continued from Monday to Sunday at 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, then you can just select like this. So it will be repeated. You don't have to create sessions all the time. So if the sessions will be occurring at the same time on weekdays, then you can do like that. Then this is important. If you click here, allow students to record on attendance. If you select this, then the students will be able to mark their own attendance. So we don't have to do anything for taking the attendance. They will have to mark their attendance, and finally we can get the report. So when you click add, then the attendance and session is added now. Now, once you do this, uh, when you have this activity in your course, the students will be able to, immediately after logging into the session, the student will be able to mark their attendance. So that way we can give a more formal structure for our sessions. So especially maybe from June, if we are expected to give online training using Moodle, we can have sessions and the attendance can be marked. So this is how we add attendance. And finally, we have the reports here. Then we will be getting the attendance of different people who have joined here. And if you want to export the report in an Excel format, you can export here by using this export facility. So now I don't have any attendance. Otherwise, you can download it as in an Excel format. So this way you can manage your attendance. Hope you will be able to follow this. Thank you.